Hello there, it's me, Kevin. Have you seen Blue? My puppy? Over there! Come on in!
Hello, come in. You're just in time. We're experimenting. Uh-oh. What's that? Come on. Blue must have just experimented with her apple. Oh, yes, Blue. The apple did float. You see, we're doing the sink float experiment. Do you want to see? Yeah. Please? Okay, Blue. Do you think my apple will sink or float? What do you think? Float. Thanks, Blue. Oh, yes, look. My green apple floats, just like the red one. Okay, Blue. What should we use for our experiment now? No. You mean you don't want to try the sink float experiment again? Oh, okay. Well, what experiment do you want to try now? Oh, great idea, Blue. We'll play Blue's Clues to work out what experiment you want to try. This is going to be great. We are going to play Blue's Clues because it's a really great game. Yeah. So remember, Blue's paw print will be on the clues. Blue's Clues. Oh, yeah. We probably shouldn't just leave this paw print. I have an idea. We could experiment with this magnet. Watch. You know what else we need for Blue's Clues? Notebook. Right? Notebook? Come on. Blue's Clues is my favorite game. Mine too, side table draw. Hey, watch this. Hey, you know, I think I'm really going to need your help today working out what experiment Blue wants to try. Will you help me? You will? Great. Okay, so to play Blue's Clues, we've got to find a... Right, because that's the first clue. Yes, then we put it in our notebook. Because the clues. We gotta find another paw print. That's the second clue. We put it in a notebook. Because the clues. We gotta find another paw print. That's the third clue. We put it in a notebook. Because the clues. You know what to do. Sit down in my thinking chair and think. Use our minds to take a step at a time. We can do anything that we wanna do. Okay? To our first clue. That'll be in the direction of our first clue, which will be in the direction Blue went, right? Okay. Did you see which way Blue went? Oh, this way. Thank you. We are looking for Blue's Clues. We are looking for Blue's Clues. We are looking for Blue's Clues. Wonder where they are. Yeah. Oh, look. A cricket float. Oh, are you playing the sink float game?
No, it's a clue.
Well, that's a good question. I wonder if a clue sinks or floats. There's a clue right here. Come on. Oh. Here's our first clue, and it's water. Brilliant. Okay, so our first clue is water. Okay. You know what we need, right? We need to write this clue down in our super duper. Okay, so draw water. Water looks like this big, kind of shapeless shape with some wavy lines there. That looks like water. Don't you think? Well, what experiment could Blue want to try with water? What do you think? Well, I think we need to find 2 more clues to work this out. Come. Hey, here's another experiment. I wonder how many Kevin steps it would take to reach the garden. Well, what do you think? Really? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Kevin steps to the garden. Brilliant, well done. Great experiment. There's Blue. And Bucket and Spade. Let's go and see what you're up to. Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, it's Kevin. Hello.
Hello.
Experimenting with nature.
Oh,
What do you think that is, Bucket?
oh, Blue. It's my magnifying glass. I'm looking for this everywhere. All right, Blue. Good idea. Let's experiment. 2. Then we can go look for more Blue's clues. You will experiment with us, right? Oh, great. Okay. Oh, what do we have here?
It's the colour red with black dots.
Maybe it's one of the, what do you think it could be?
A ladybird.
Oh, yes, it's a ladybird. Good experiment. See the black dots? Oh, let's see if we can see her tiny legs.
There are the legs, see? Everything looks bigger through our magnifying glasses. Oh, take a look at this. What do you think it is?
What do you think it is?
Well, it's the colour green with ridges.
What could it be?
Grass.
Oh, yes, it is. It's grass. It looks so different close up.
Good experiment. Yes. Oh, you have to take a look at this.
Whoa. Well, what do you think that is?
It's full of little lines. Yes. Sort of wrinkly or something.
Yes. What do you think it could be?
Your hand, Kevin.
My hand. It can't be.
Yes, it is. It's the skin on your hand, silly.
Oh, yes. So it is. It's my hand. Look at all the little lines. And it looks so good. I never even noticed. Oh, yes. Good idea, Blue. Let's go and find some more Blue's clues to work out what experiment Blue wants to try. Bye, Bucket. Bye, Spade.
Bye.
Okay, I have my magnifying glass. Let's take a closer look. Wow. Look at all these nooks and crannies in this corkboard. This is so interesting. Whoa. Look at these threads in this curtain. Oh. Ooh, well, it's blue and paw printy. It's a...
A clue.
Yes, it's a clue. I'm experimenting.
It's a clue. A clue.
Oh, you see a clue.
Yes.
Where?
It's on the tape right there.
Oh, it's the clue. Our second clue. And it's... tape. Hey, you know what we need? Our super duper.
Notebook.
This is a magnifying glass. Okay, let's give it another go. Let's hear some Super duper. Notebook. Okay. Draw a circle here with another circle aligned like this. And some curvy lines here and here. And we have tape. Sticky, strong. Okay. Now, what was our first clue again? Water. And now we have tape. So, what experiment could we want to try with water and tape? What do you think? Could be. You know what that means? The post's here. Postman's here, the postman's here. Letters come from far and near. All year round they make me wanna cheer. Hello, postbox. Are you trying something new?
Yeah, it's just an experiment.
Oh, an upside down experiment. I see. Well, do you have a letter for
I
it?
don't know.
Oh, that's better. Oh, there is one. Thanks, postbox.
You're welcome.
Bye. We just got a letter. 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 Wonder who it's from. Sorry. Oh, it's a letter from our friends.
I wonder if this magnet can pick up these keys. Yes, because they're metal. I wonder if this magnet can pick up this cup. No, because it's plastic. I wonder if this magnet can pick the paper clip. Yeah, they're made of metal. Goodbye, Katie! Goodbye,
Bye. See how much fun you can have with magnets. Wow. Did you see that? That was a shooting star in outer space. That was super blue. Well, that means we need super cat. Whoa. Okay. I'm floating. Wow. I'm floating in outer space. Well, of course, because I'm super cat in outer space. That'll be super blue. Nice and so. Wow. Did you see that blue? I think that was Saturn? Yeah? Or maybe it was Mars?
Well, let me tell you a thing or two about our solar system.
Don't worry, Blue. And who, may I ask, are you?
I'm the sun.
You're the sun. The sun. Oh, wow. You're the center of the whole solar system. Okay, Blue. Maybe you could help us? Well, me actually. There was a problem with the planets. And I never remember which one is which. The Mars is the windy one. Saturn is the...
Well, the sun's a hot star. Mercury's hot too. Venus is the brightest planet.
Earth is home to me and you.
Mars is the red one. Jupiter's most wide.
To the stars.
Now it's your turn to name the planet, Super Kev.
My turn. Excuse me, Mr. Sun. You will help us, right? Thank you. Okay. Okay, Blue. Here we go. Well, the sun's
Hot star.
and Mercury's hot too. Venus is the
Brightest planet.
and Earth is
Home to me and you.
Mars is the
Red one.
and Jupiter's most wide. Excuse me. Saturn's got those.
Icy rings.
And Uranus spins on its
Side.
Neptune's really
Windy.
and Pluto's really
Small.
well. We wanted to name the planet, and now we've named them all.
You got it! One more time. Well, the sun's an hot star.
And Mercury's hot too.
Venus is the
Hey,
brightest planet.
Earth is home to me and you.
Mars is the red one.
And Jupiter's most wide.
Saturn's got those icy rings.
And Uranus spins on its side.
Neptune's really windy.
And Pluto's really small. Well, we wanted to name the planets, and now we've named them all.
One more time.
I'd like to, Mr. Sun, but I've got to get back to Earth and find our very last Blue's Clue. But thank you for teaching us all of the planets. Bye. See what happens here in outer space with no gravity? Things float, just like Super Blue and Super Kev. Wow. Hey, there's gravity here on Earth. See? No floating here. Oh no, not in the living room.
Apple.
You see a clue? Here. Where?
There.
The clue? Empty plastic bottles. Interesting. Hey, you know what we need? Our super duper
Notebook.
notebook. Okay, so draw this clue. It starts with a circle on the top and a long rounded corner and a curvy line here, and then one more plastic bottle. And there, we have two plastic bottles. We have our third clue. Did you just hear what I said? We have our third clue. Well, do you know what that means? It's time for our thinking chair. Let's go. Okay, now we're in our thinking chair. Let's think. Okay, so we need to work out what experiment Blue wants to try. And our Blue's clues are water, tape, and 1, 2 plastic bottles.
Don't do that.
So our experiment Blue wants to try with water
No, don't do that.
and 2 plastic bottles. Maybe Blue wants to put the water in the plastic bottles and then take the tape and just tape them. Yeah? Just tape the bottles together. Use all the tape and just tape them off.
Be quiet.
No? Okay. Well, that would be just too much tape, wouldn't it? Okay, well, what if we put the water in one of the plastic bottles, then took the other bottle, put it on top, and then take them together and swirl them round. What does that make?
Whirlpool experiment.
Yes, the whirlpool experiment, yes. Blue wants to try the whirlpool experiment. Oh, have you ever seen the whirlpool experiment? It's brilliant. We've just worked out Blue's clues. We just worked out Blue's clues. We just worked out Blue's clues. We just worked out Blue's clues because we're really bright. Blue, let's go and try the whirlpool experiment. Okay, Blue, are you ready to try our whirlpool experiment? Okay, so, first of all, we need to... Oh, good idea, Blue, yeah. We'll use this funnel to put the water in our first empty plastic bottle. Whirlpool experiment.
A whirlpool experiment. We want to see.
Oh, look who it is. It's Bucket and Spade. Remember the experiment we did with them? Okay. So the water goes in there. Nicely. Finish with our jug and our funnel. Then I take the tape and take the second bottle to the first. But I turn it upside down.
Someone say upside down.
Oh, hello, Postbox. Yeah, we're doing our whirlpool experiment. This is gonna be great. You're gonna love it. And I get to swirl it around.
Did someone say swirl?
Oh, look. It's Neptune, right? Okay, so. Is everybody ready for our whirlpool experiment? Oh, look at that. It looks like a real whirlpool. Oh. Ah. Brilliant. Oh, there we go. That whirlpool was so much fun. Thank you so much for all your help today. You've been brilliant. But now it's time for farewell. You know you've really done well. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart, you know, with me and you and my dog Blue. We can do anything that we want to do.